Hello, good afternoon students. Today we will be reading about the structure of atom. Okay, this is the first chapter of your second term examination syllabus. Okay, so this total chapters depend on the Bohr's, Rutherford and Thomson's atomic model. Their atomic models are too different from each other. Okay, so first we are reading about the what is the our presentation outline. Okay, तो पहला हमारा क्या charged particles in matter, structure of atom, nucleus of atom, electrons, Thomson's model of an atom, Rutherford's model of an atom, drawbacks of Rutherford model of an atom and Bohr model of an atom, neutrons, distribution of electrons in different cells, atomic structure, valency, atomic number and mass number, isotopes and isobars. Okay, these are the topic today we will be reading about this. Okay, the first topic is charged particle in matter. Electron, protons and neutrons, these three particles are available in atoms. Okay, atoms have three types of subatomic particles like electrons, protons and neutrons. Electrons are negatively charged and protons are positively charged, and their charged unit is coulomb. Okay, coulomb. Okay, and electrons charge unit is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and protons charged unit is 1.6 into 10 to the power 19 coulomb, and neutron have no charge and it is totally neutral particle. Okay, इलेक्ट्रॉन जो होता है उसका वो नेगेटिवली चार्ज होता है, प्रोटॉन जो होता है पॉजिटिवली चार्ज होता है, न्यूट्रॉन जो होता है उसका कोई चार्ज नहीं होता है. द मास ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 1/2000 ऑफ द मास ऑफ अ हाइड्रोजन एटम. मींस अगर आप उसको कैलकुलेट करो तो अगर एक इलेक्ट्रॉन का वेट अगर आपको फाइंड आउट करना है, ओके, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन का, तो आपका हाइड्रोजन एटम अगर 1 ग्राम का है तो उसको 2000 टाइम्स आपको 2000 से अगर डिवाइड कर दो तो जो आता है वो उसका आपका मास होता है इलेक्ट्रॉन का. द मास ऑफ ए प्रोटॉन इज इक्वल टू द मास ऑफ अ हाइड्रोजन, एंड व्हाट इज द मास ऑफ द proton? Mass of the proton is totally equal to the hydrogen atom. Okay, and the mass of a neutron is also equal to the mass of a hydrogen atom, and it is taken as a 1 unit. Okay, and it is taken as a 1 unit. Next, structure of atoms. Atoms are made of smaller particles called electron, protons and neutron. These systems are totally like as our body cell. Okay, because our body is made up of millions of cells. Okay, so these are totally like our body cells. An atom consists of a cloud of electrons surrounding a small dense nucleus of protons and neutrons. Means, wait a minute. These are the place where proton and neutrons are situated, and these are the place where electrons are situated. Means electrons are situated in the orbits of the atom, and proton and neutrons are situated in the nucleus of the atom. Okay, it means what is the nucleus? Nucleus consists of protons and neutrons, and electrons and protons have a property called electric charge, which affects the way they interact with each other and with other electrically charged particles. It means what is the charge of the nucleus of the atom? It is positive charge. And what is the charge of the electron? It is negative charge. Means plus or negative charges means two opposite charges are attract each other. That's why it consists of an atom. Okay, and two same charges are repel each other. It means if electron are also a positive charge, then if I already mentioned if electrons are positively charged, it means there are no atomic formation. Okay, without minus or plus, it means without negative charge particles or positive charge particles, atomic formation are not possible. Okay, these are the diagram of our atom. This is the total area is called atom. These are the electrons. Electron charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, and it is a nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. You can easily find out. Okay, these are the nucleus. N means neutron and P means proton. P denotes by the plus. Okay, it means nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. Neutron has no charge but proton has positively charge. It means nucleus has a पॉजिटिव चार्ज. ओके, इसका मतलब क्या, न्यूक्लियस के पास पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है और इलेक्ट्रॉन के पास क्या होता है, नेगेटिव चार्ज होता है. ओके, इसके कारण ही क्या होता है, इनके बीच में एक फोर्स क्रिएट होता है. ओके, इस फोर्स के कारण एक एटम क्रिएट होता है. अदरवाइज एटॉमिक फॉर्मेशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल विदाउट पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज पार्टिकल्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट, न्यूक्लियस ऑफ द एटम. एन एटम कंसिस्ट ऑफ एन cloud of electrons surrounding a small dense of protons and neutrons. The nucleus contains nearly a mass of the atoms. इसका मतलब क्या है कि टोटल एटम का जो मास होता है ना, वो उसका 90% से ज्यादा ऑक्यूपाई क्या करता है, आपका न्यूक्लियस का. मास का मैं बात कर रहा हूं. लेकिन अगर मैं बात करूं, if we talk about the space inside the atom, तो only 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 meter occupied by the nucleus. Okay, or 1 by 1 lakh. It means 1 by 1 lakh आप डिवाइड कर दो तो जो आता है, it is the occupied by the nucleus in the entire atom. Okay, then next point, electrons were discovered by the Sir J.J. Thomson. ओके, किसने डिस्कवर किया था भाई, सर जे.जे. थॉमसन डिस्कवर किए थे. और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर टीनी नेगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ एन एटम. क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर टीनी एंड नेगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल्स अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ एन एटम. ईच इलेक्ट्रॉन कैरीज अ फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ नेगेटिव इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज minus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And there is a minus sign because why? Because electron is a negatively charged particle. And what is the mass of the electron? Mass of the electron is 9.109 into 10 to the power minus 31. Dear students, all the important points kindly note down in your copy. Okay, it will be better for your revision. The electron is one of the lightest particle with a known mass. The electrons is one of the lightest particle with a known mass. Electrons cannot be split into anything smaller. Also electrons do not. Okay, electrons cannot be split into anything smaller. Also electrons do not have any real size but instead true. Okay, एक चीज मैं आपको बता दूं, यहां मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में आपको ट्रांसलेट करके बता दूं कि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो होता है ना, उसको आप इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैनॉट बी स्प्लिट इनटू एनीथिंग. इलेक्ट्रॉन से ज्यादा छोटा आप कोई भी चीज फाइंड आउट नहीं कर सकते हैं और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को भी स्प्लिट नहीं कर सकते, यानी आप इलेक्ट्रॉन को भी इससे छोटे में आप नहीं चेंज कर सकते हैं. और एक बात, हैव एनी रियल साइज बट आर इंस्टेड ट्रू. और एक चीज सही है कि इसका ये रियल साइज है और ये ट्रू है, सही है, ये कोई आइडियल वैल्यू नहीं. आइडियल वैल्यू और रियल वैल्यू मतलब क्या? आइडियल वैल्यू कॉल्ड अ थ्योरेटिकल वैल्यू एंड रियल वैल्यू इज अ प्रैक्टिकल वैल्यू. ओके, the points in space that is an electron has a radius of 0. Okay, and their radius is 0. Now neutrons was discovered by Sir James Chadwick. Okay, the neutron was discovered by Sir James Chadwick. The neutron is slightly heavier than a proton. Okay, it means neutron is slightly, this is the word slightly. Slightly means थोड़ा सा, एकदम just slightly. मतलब अगर बात करो तो 1 किलो में पकड़ता तो 1.00001 kg. ओके, एक जस्ट फॉर एन एग्जांपल. ओके, एंड 1838 टाइम्स एज द हेवी एज द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. और क्या, इलेक्ट्रॉन से 1838 टाइम्स हेवी होता है. इट मीन्स अगर एक इलेक्ट्रॉन का वेट 2 मिलीग्राम है, ओके, लेट एन एग्जांपल ऑफ एन साइज ऑफ एन वेट ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 2 milligram, then what is the size, what is the weight of a neutron? Neutron weight is 2 mg into 1838. Okay, neutron electrically neutral elementary particle that is the part of the nucleus of the atom. Okay, neutron is the electrically neutral particle and it is the also a part of the nucleus of the atom. The neutron is about 10 to the power minus 13 centimeter in diameter and weight. And what is the weight of the neutron? Neutron weight is 1.6745 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Okay, note down this point. What is the weight of neutron? Neutron weight is 1.6749 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg, and it is founded by and it is discovered by Sir James Chadwick. Okay, now comes on the proton. What is proton? Atoms are made of extremely teeny particles called protons, neutrons and electrons. Protons and neutrons are in the center of an atom, making up the nucleus. Electrons surround the nucleus. Protons have a positive charge, electrons have a negative charge. Okay, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन का सिंबल क्या होता है? E माइनस. प्रोटॉन का सिंबल क्या होता है? P प्लस. एंड व्हाट इज द सिंबल ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन? नो सिंबल. एंड व्हाट इज द चार्ज ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन? -1, +1 and 0. And you can show here, seen here the mass of the electron, proton and neutron. What is the mass of an electron? 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Proton weight is 1.6726 777 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27. I told you na ki it is slightly heavier than the proton. Okay, neutron is slightly heavier than the proton, and you can see as well as you can see 1.672 and 1.674. It means their weight is difference in fractional value. Okay, fractional value. Okay, rules determining the number of subatomic particles. The number of protons, neutrons and electrons in an atom can be determined from a set of simple rules. The number of protons, neutrons and electrons in an atom can be determined from a set of simple rules. The number of protons in the nucleus of the atom is equal to the atomic number. It means if any atom has their proton number is 27, it means their atomic number is 27. If their atomic number is 26, then atomic number is 26, then particles atomic size number is 26. Okay, and the number of electrons in a neutral atom is equal to the number of protons. और एक चीज क्या, एक मजा आ गया ना, प्रोटॉन्स का जो नंबर है, इट मींस प्रोटॉन्स इज टोटली इक्वल to the number of protons, and electrons and protons number are totally same. The mass number of the atom is equal to the sum of the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. Okay, how can you calculate the mass number? Total number of protons plus total number of neutrons is, if we sum up the total number of protons and neutrons, it is called total mass of the atom. The number of the neutrons is equal to the difference between the number of neutrons is equal to the difference between the mass number of the atom and the atomic number Z. Okay, the number of neutrons is equal to the difference between the mass number of the atom and the atomic number of the atom. If you tell you ki find out the value of the neutron, what can you do? You can if the atomic number is 26, okay, and the mass of the atom is 52, okay, so how can you find the number of neutron? Easily you can 52 minus 26 equal to 26. It means 26 is the total number of neutron in atom. Okay,